Kung ang buhay ay isang umagang nakangiti at ikaw ay ang lupang sinusuyo ng bituin, di mo man siling ang langit, di mo man siling, ito'y nandirito pa rin. Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig. Sa pagbuhos ng ulan, sa haplos ng hangin, alaala mo ay nakaukit sa pisngi ng langit.
Di man umihip ang hangin, di man umihip, ika'y nandirito pa rin.
Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging
I am Andrea May Termis. I am one of the products of Narciso B. Galapian Elementary School. First thing first, my condolences to the family. And I would like to take this opportunity as well to thank and honor our beloved Sir Tom. Though you are no longer with us, your kindness, generosity, and guidance continue to live in our hearts. Thank you, Sir Tom, for all that you've done for us. Before, I still remember you provided us free uniforms, school supplies, and other necessities to every grade 6 student, year after years. You made a difference in so many lives, and I am proud to say that I am one of the students you helped back when I was in grade 6. Now, I am already in my 4th year, and I'm almost done with my studies. I always carry your words with me every step of the way. You always tell us, padayon lang mag-eskwela, finish your studies. And those words have stayed with me all these years. Your legacy lives on through the students you help. And through that, we'll continue to build because of your support. Rest well, Sir Tom. You will never be forgotten.
Di man umihip, ika'y nandirito pa rin.